Sutton!
소란스러운 동생의 방에서 뛰쳐나온 의문의 남자.
Spiral like a wheel within a wheel. Never ending.
그 후에 라즈가 보게 된 건 차갑게 굳어버린 여동생이었는데
She's dead. Sutton's dead.
Dr. Lazarus. Dr. Lazarus. The new patient's ready for you.
간호사의 부름으로 악몽에서 깨어난 그의 이름은 조엘 라즈 라자루스. 직업은 법의학 정신과 의사로 최근 견문을 넓히기 위해 정신병원에서 상담 활동을 하고 있었죠. 오늘은 아버지의 전화도 무시한 채 알로라는 이름의 흉악범을 상담하는데요.
What thoughts would you like to discuss?
God. I've been speaking with him.
And what have you been speaking with God about?
I asked him whether I could trust you.
Did he reply?
He said no.
신의 힘을 빌려 라즈에게 벌을 내리겠다는 허무맹랑한 이야기만 늘어놓으니 상담은 금방 끝이 나고 맙니다.
Hey.
It's Dad.
Yeah, he called me. I ditched it. What's up?
Laz, he's dead. He shot himself in his office.
정말로 그가 말한 신이 벌을 내린 것인지 갑자기 아버지가 스스로 목숨을 끊었다는 충격적인 소식을 전해 듣게 되는데
Prominent psychiatrist Dr. Jonathan Lazarus has reportedly taken his own life. He is tragically remembered as the father of Sutton Lazarus, who was brutally murdered 25 years ago. The search for her killer prompted national attention, but they remain at large to this day. Dr. Jonathan Lazarus is survived by his two remaining children, Joel and Jenna.
서둘러 집으로 돌아온 라즈는 이제 마지막 남은 가족인 동생을 위로해주며 무슨 일이 있었는지 자세히 물어보는데요.
Doesn't make any sense. Where's the note?
Well, police have the original, but they gave me this photocopy. Yeah, for a man that delved inside mines for a living, he could have given us a little bit more clarity.
What the hell does that mean? And the table, 3 legs, like some sort of code.
There was this on his desk at work.
알 수 없는 메시지와 그림, 그리고 오래전 죽은 동생인 서턴에 관한 기사만을 유서처럼 남긴 아버지. 당장은 그것들이 의미하는 게 무엇인지 전혀 알 수가 없었습니다. 이번 아버지의 죽음 때문인지 라즈는 동생이 죽은 그날의 일이 자꾸만 떠오르는데
There he is. Ah, come on, bring it in.
Look at you.
Oh, love the teeth. Whose are they?
Love the beard. Masks a double chin.
How dare you?
오랜만에 만난 경찰 친구 맥거번과 함께 어릴 적 연인이었던 벨라가 일하는 술집에 들른 두 사람.
Hello, gorgeous.
Laz! The psychologist returns.
Psychiatrist.
Whatever. What are you doing back?
My dad died.
Oh my God.
When we split, he said I'd lost the best woman I'd ever find.
He was right.
사실 라즈가 맥거번을 만나려 한 건 그냥 위로받기 위해서가 아니라 자살로 보이는 아버지의 사건에 숨겨진 진상이 있다고 생각해서였는데요.
In his office.
어릴 적 동생 서턴의 죽음을 알리기 위해 찾아왔었던 아버지의 사무실. 마치 그때를 재현하는 듯한 기분으로 라즈는 이 장소에 다시 오게 되는데 뭔가를 찾고 싶었지만 아무것도 찾지 못한 채 잠이 든 그때
Elle, sorry I'm late.
No, sorry, I'm his son.
You know, I really hate myself when I'm late. I say to myself, Cassandra, you've got 10
I'm
minutes to leave
his
the
son.
flat, and I'll mess around until the 10 minutes is now 1, and I'll need a
Cassandra, I'm
safety
his son.
because I get desperate along the way.
Excuse me.
And then suddenly I'm like 3 minutes late, and it's like,
You do it on purpose.
yes. Like I must be stressed. I must be anxious. I can't function any other way.
자기를 아버지 라자투스 박사로 착각하는 어떤 환자가 멋대로 들어와서는 라즈의 얘기는 하나도 듣지 않은 채 상담받으려 합니다.
And what do these thoughts consist of?
Him. Dead. I look into his dead face.
And who is the man?
Neil. My boyfriend, the freak.
Thoughts, are they memories?
If only he's still breathing. Waiting for me at home. Warned me not to be late.
남자친구인 일에 폭력에 시달리다가 역으로 살인 충동을 느끼고 있는 여성이었죠.
I mean, why? Why would I think these things? Can I? I kill him. And I look at him. And I feel nothing.
Let me top you up.
It's like what you said before. What was it you used to say about living your life with pain?
죽은 아버지의 사무실에서 이게 무슨 일인지 생각으로 따라가지 못한 채 분위기에 맞춰 몸만 움직이다 보니 처음부터 아무도 없었던 것처럼 어느샌가 그녀가 사라졌는데요.
So the client files are up here. Your father wasn't blessed in the organization department. Cassandra, you say. Surname?
No idea.
Right, that makes it tricky. We file by surname.
You don't have a database or computer system, do you?
No, your father liked a paper system. He often recorded sessions for reference, but he didn't care much for technology.
카산드라의 환자 프로필을 보고 싶었지만 찾는데 시간이 필요해 바로 받아볼 수 없었고 라자는 대신 다른 궁금한 걸 물어봅니다.
And you got inside his. Did he ever talk about Sutton and the night she was killed?
Why?
I just always felt he'd
Blamed you. Well, I don't know anything about that. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm feeling a little overwhelmed being back in here.
홀로 남아 아버지의 환자 프로필을 살펴보다가 카산드라의 것을 찾게 되는데
1999.
이상하게도 그녀의 진료 기록이 1999년에 끝나 있었고 그렇다면 어제 찾아온 카산드라는 뭐였느냐는 생각에 조엘은 그녀의 집을 직접 방문하기로 하는데요.
Hello.
Hi. Does Cassandra still live here?
Cassandra?
Yeah, Cassandra Rhodes.
That's like 20 years ago.
I know. She's a client of my father's, and my father passed away. So I was just kind of...
Listen, I'm sorry, but she's dead.
카산드라를 찾으러 갔다가 듣게 된 충격적인 얘기. 분명 어젯밤에도 생생하게 보았던 그녀는 이미 20년 전 죽은 사람이라고 하죠.
I was with her. Yeah. Yesterday.
She was murdered over 20 years ago. You definitely weren't with her yesterday.
믿기 힘든 이야기였지만 당장 인터넷을 검색해봐도 그녀의 죽음은 기사로 상세히 기록되어 있었습니다.
Yeah.
Hey man, the mortuary have released your dad's body to the undertakers.
라즈가 이상한 일을 겪으며 시간을 보낸 사이 어느덧 아버지 조너선 라자루스의 장례식이 치러지게 되었는데요.
Of what they say, how surely that ain't right. Surely that
한편 식이 끝난 후 라즈는 맥거번에게 카산드라 사건에 대해 자세히 알아봐 달라 부탁하죠.
25 years ago?
She was one of Dad's patients. Thought she had a stalker.
Nosing around in files from 1999, investigations I wasn't even part of. Are you mad?
I just...
친구에게 무리한 요구를 하던 그때 그의 상사인 앨리슨 브라운이 위로의 말을 전하러 다가왔는데
Nice to see you.
Used to think your dad was banging her.
Elsa's gonna be my new mother. Can you get me that info?
We need to talk about your attempts to corrupt a police officer. Later. Over a pint.
그날 밤 귀가하던 라즈는 우연히도 과거 동생을 죽인 사건의 용의자였던 샘 올슨이라는 남자의 집을 지나치게 되는데요.
They released him.
After I left last night, I walked by Sam Olsen's house.
The man accused of murdering our sister.
I wanted to see the place again.
There's no forensics, no witnesses, and Dad never believed it was him.
영적인 힘이 있다고 주장하며 사람들의 운명을 봐주는 제나에게 라즈는 자기가 겪었던 이상한 일에 대해 어떻게 생각하는지 한번 물어봅니다.
Okay, so let me ask you this. Do you think people ever see dead people before their eyes?
If you think that you're seeing Dad, then...
I know all about bereavement hallucination, Jen. That's not what I'm asking.
Hey, then what are you asking?
Forget it. When you're dead, you're dead.
영적 힘을 가진 동생조차도 죽은 사람을 봤다는 말을 전혀 믿어주지 않았고 그렇다면 자기가 겪은 일들은 도대체 무엇이었던 건지 혼란만 가중되던 그때
Oi! Are you Aiden?
You Bella's boy. I wanted to see what you look like. You shouldn't have come back here.
갑자기 찾아온 전 연인의 아들이 집으로 데려다주는 길에 영문을 알 수 없는 소리를 늘어놓는데
You talk to mad people? Yeah, kind of. I think it could send you crazy. Dealing with crazy people.
Home sweet home.
You shouldn't have come back. I have a bad feeling about it.
Enjoy yourself.
You're a superstar.
Okay. You want the abridged version? She was nuts. Cassandra, batshit. Problem child, in and out of foster care, couple of relationships, mostly abusive, and then she winds up dead.
요청했던 카산드라에 관한 자료를 찾아준 맥거번. 라즈가 환영으로 보였던 그녀와 상담에서 알게 된 대로 애인이었던 닐 크로프트란 남자에게 목숨을 잃었다고 하는데요.
Case closed 25 years ago. Cheers, mate. Bye.
중요한 서류를 받고 집으로 돌아가는 길, 라즈는 자기에게 미행이 붙은 걸 알게 되죠.
You following me? Oi! Hey! Hey!
도망가는 게 더더욱 수상해 미행한 자를 붙잡으려 하지만 결국 놓치고 맙니다. 아버지의 죽음에 대해 알아보려다가 더 많은 의문만 갖게 만든 사무실에 다시 찾아온 라즈.
So you met Cassandra. There will be others, son. And me.
Dad?
아버지의 환영을 보게 된 다음 날, 그는 없이 나간 채 집으로 돌아가게 되죠.
So, do I get an explanation?
I've got a theory.
On?
This annoyingly vague suicide note. Well, I know it's Dad's handwriting, but when did he ever start a sentence without a capital letter?
Punctuation probably wasn't the top of his priority list.
It reads like the end of a sentence, not the start. So, what if there was a page one?
유서를 다시 살펴보다가 라즈는 혹시 이게 전부가 아닐지도 모른다며 누군가가 훼손했을 거라는 확신하는데
It's 3 words and a weird doodle. This is not the final note of a man who delved inside people's minds.
Laz, you're upsetting me now.
아버지의 죽음에 관해 조사하면 할수록 미심쩍은 것들이 발견되면서 라즈는 맥거번을 찾아가 이 사건이 자살이 아닌 타살로 봐야 한다며 본격적인 수사를 요청하는데요.
Who would want to kill your dad? First, the Cassandra Rhodes thing, which is 25 years ago. You're looking for connections where there aren't any. Sutton and Cassandra and your dad are years apart. So it's like if you fancy your sister.
25년 전에 일어난 일들을 얼마 전에 있었던 아버지의 사건과 엮으려고 하니 아무리 친구라고 하여도 경찰인 맥거번은 말도 안 된다며 그의 주장을 헛소리 취급합니다. 다시 환영을 보겠다고 사무실을 찾아온 자신이 어이없음을 느끼던 그때 어디선가 수상한 소리가 들려오는데
Oh, Dr. Laz. This is Neil.
Dr. Lazarus?
He's a bit reluctant, but I told him that you'd suggested it and that you'd make sure that it wasn't too, woo-woo.
Yeah, I'm just not used to all this talking in rooms.
I'll do my best to make it straightforward.
다시 나타난 카산드라의 환영이 이번에는 애인인 닐과 함께 나타났는데요.
Neil, why don't we start with you? Why do you think you're here?
It was her idea to help our relationship.
Okay. Cassandra, same question.
Can I speak?
Please.
Well, she would go out into the street, sleep with men for money.
닐은 그녀가 자꾸 외도한다며 그 때문에 스토킹하게 되었고 화를 참지 못해 어쩔 수 없이 폭력을 썼다며 자기 행동의 정당성을 설명하기 시작합니다.
Where would you go if you needed the space?
India.
You should go.
I could go, but what would you do, Cassandra? How would you manage?
I'd manage.
Probably end up like your mother, sucking men's dicks for cash.
Stop saying.
She sucked dicks for cash. Sometimes the apple doesn't fall far from the...
순식간에 일어난 일 때문에 잠에서 깨듯 현실로 돌아온 라즈.
You again.
I know. I'm sorry. You mentioned when you bought the property that the loft hadn't been cleaned out properly.
It's only a couple of boxes. They're in the loft.
And I'd love to see what she left behind.
You could be anyone. You come to my door. You could be a thief or a con man.
I'll give you my wallet. And you can give it back to me when I leave.
무슨 일이 있어도 반드시 확인하고 싶은 게 있어 다시 카산드라의 집을 찾았을 때
This statue, is it Cassandra's?
Yeah, from the loft.
카산드라가 환영해서 흉기로 사용한 조각상을 발견하게 되면서 라즈는 그게 망상이 아니라 과거에 있었던 일을 재현한 거라는 확신을 하게 되죠.
Careful on your way up. Thought it could be a games room. You could get a floor that's reinforced, and this partition wall would have to come down. God knows why she boxed it off. The wife put a kibosh on it.
She boxed it off? Cassandra?
Yeah, tap it. That size brick, and all that in the middle is plasterboard.
There's something behind here.
What?
You have to have a look.
누가 봐도 수상한 가벽. 주인에게 묻지도 않고 바로 부숴서 건너편을 확인해 보려 하는데
There is something back there. Oh, that's heavy.
놀랍게도 거기서 나온 건 수십 년간 방치되어 있던 카산드라의 애인이었던 닐의 시체였습니다.
You ask yourself, where is my mind?
25년 만에 발견된 남자의 시체에 앨리스는 어떻게 된 사연인지 묻게 되죠.
Cassandra was one of Dad's clients. Been clearing out his office. I saw her name on one of the files. I was curious. What if the body is Neil? The boyfriend, Neil Croft?
he disappeared when she was murdered, but if that was him up there, he can't be our killer.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves. We don't know who the body is yet.
라즈의 활약 덕분에 경찰은 25년 전 종결했던 사건 파일을 다시 꺼내야만 했고 덕분에 그는 경찰들에게 미움을 사게 되었는데요.
Seth, get in the fucking car, you fucking fucker. How the fuck did you find a dead body?
The question you should be asking is how the fuck did the police not find that in 1999?
You come back, you start asking all kinds of weird favors. Fine.
범인이 아니고서야 할 수 없는 일을 해버린 라즈에게 어떻게 알게 되냐면서 맥거버는 진지하게 물어봅니다.
I've spoken with my dad. And Cassandra Rhodes. I know, they're dead.
Care to elaborate?
I was in my dad's office. I was exhausted. I lay on his couch just to be in his space. My eyes start to close. And then suddenly, and then in she walks, Cassandra.
죽은 사람들을 보았다는 말에 친구는 당연히 믿지 않고 꿈이거나 정신쇠약, 그것도 아니라면 약을 한 게 아닌가 의심하죠.
And so you do what?
Stalker. And Neil, her boyfriend, who was there today. Well, last night, I was back in his office. I look up, and there he is. I know this all sounds insane, but how does any of what's happened today make any sense if I'm lying?
I guess there's only one way to find out.
그의 말이 사실인지 증명해보라며 함께 아버지의 사무실을 찾게 되는데
I know how it sounds, Seth. Right, if a patient started saying these things to me, I'd be worried.
All right, let's recreate the circumstances, the exact circumstances in which they appear. Should we close our eyes?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
And they just appear.
라즈가 했었던 그대로 재현해보지만 맥거번에게는 아무 일도 생기지 않습니다. 그가 잠시 화장실에 가며 자리를 비운 사이
You can't tell people you're seeing ghosts, son. They put you in the loony bin.
How can you be here? We buried you. What's happening to me, Dad? Why am I seeing you?
Why do you think?
I'm not a patient.
Everyone's a patient, son. In this room or not. So, how are you?
지난번과 만났을 때와는 다르게 이번에는 아버지의 모습만 보는 게 아니라 자유롭게 대화도 나눌 수 있었는데요.
Cassandra, Neil, they think I'm you, and it's like a recreation machine, and all my professional knowledge is telling me this cannot be happening. It must be a trick of my mind, but I'm seeing them, and right in front of me.
Okay. Well, yeah, let's theorize. These people are speaking in the way they spoke in my sessions.
자신에게 일어난 이상한 일들에 관하여 아버지에게 물어보지만 그는 장난스러운 대답만 할 뿐 통쾌한 답변을 주지는 않았는데
Dad, please.
Sorry, I don't get out much. But you're a psychiatrist. You know death is final. That you and I will never be together again.
So you're saying I miss you so much I'm manifesting you. Please, Dad. Please.
한편 화장실을 다녀온 맥거버는 라즈가 누군가와 대화하고 있는 걸 듣게 되죠.
Dad.
Laz. You okay? Who are you talking to?
Out of here.
다음 날 친구가 했던 허무맹랑한 얘기들이 거짓말인 것 같아 보이진 않아서인지 조각상을 범행 흉기로 등록하려 하는 맥거번.
I think we should entertain the idea that this could be the murder weapon. And if she killed him, then who killed her?
과거 동생인 서턴을 죽인 용의자인 샘 올슨의 집을 찾아간 라즈는 그가 없다는 것을 알면서도 무단으로 집에 들어가 보는데요.
Lazarus.
I'm sorry, I shouldn't have come inside.
예상외로 그는 폭력적인 사람이 아니었고 두 사람은 마음을 차분하게 가라앉히며 대화를 시작하게 되는데
Shall I tell you how I met Sutton? And she's a lovely girl, by the way. Very polite. She's looking for a dog. I helped her search all the gardens and yards. And she brought me that toy dog as a thank you.
The difficulty I had was why you were on our street. You were seen hanging around on our street the night she died.
과거의 사건에 관해서 억울한 게 있었는지 샘은 자기를 변호하기 위해 당시의 상황을 설명해 줍니다.
Obviously, I'd seen you all heading out to the prom earlier. I told this to the police. I also told them that. Later on, I saw Billy McIntyre arrive back at your house in his car and your sister climb into it.
Billy?
Seemed unhappy with her. They had quite a fierce argument. Billy yelled in her face and sped away like a rally driver.
So what did you do after you saw that?
Nothing.
And went home?
No.
Rather than wait for the woman at number 5.
무단 침입자를 친절하게 대해줬지만 자기를 신문하듯 무례한 질문을 하자 샘은 그를 집에서 쫓아내죠.
I'd like to take Sutton steady.
I thought it would die down. Should have moved away. That would have looked like guilt. The police have my card marked from day one. Online, not a scrap of evidence, but they don't care. Can you imagine how it feels to have people look at you with suspicion? Yeah.
오랫동안 잊고 있던 이름인 과거 서턴의 남자친구였던 빌의 이름이 언급되고 라즈는 맥거번에게 부탁해 빌에 대한 정보를 요청하는데요.
Yep. Cheers.
다시 찾은 아버지의 사무실. 그런데 그 안에서 인기척이 느껴집니다.
Sutton?
Hey, Dad.
Sutton? Sutton? I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I wasn't there for you.
반가운 동생의 모습에 눈가가 촉촉해지는 라즈. 하지만 환영에서 나타난 모든 유령이 그랬듯이 그녀도 그를 오빠가 아닌 아빠라고 생각하며 대했는데
It's just so good to see you.
Oh my god, I had to get out of the house. Laz and Bella are driving me nuts. They're all over each other.
Go easy, Sutton. They're in love.
Come on, Dad. Every time they talk, they start arguing.
I don't think that's quite true.
I actually think they only kiss because it's something else to do with their mouths.
Hey, that's not fair.
But we've been through this. They're not a good match. It's not going to end well. You said so yourself.
비록 이게 현실이 아니지만 라즈는 아버지의 모습을 빌려 오빠인 자신이 동생인 서턴을 얼마나 아끼고 사랑했었는지를 전해주는데요.
Jenna wants to come out with us tonight. I think it would be really good for her. You'll let her come, won't you?
Yeah. Yes, I will, but...
I'm going to break up with Billy.
What?
I don't want to talk about it, but just thought I should let you know in case things are weird with his mum. You know, Margot?
But why? I mean, did something happen? What?
질문에는 대답하지 않은 채 자기 얘기만 하는 동생이 오늘 파티를 갈 거라며 기대에 가득 찬 모습을 보일 때 라즈는 눈앞에 서턴이 살해당하는 그날의 동생이라는 걸 눈치챕니다.
Why did you let her leave the dance?
It's tonight. Don't go to the dance. Please, Sutton, can you hear me? Sutton! Sutton!
Oh shit, I need to go.
No. Sutton, it's me, it's Laz. Please, don't go to the dance. You don't have to go. We can stay here. We can keep talking. We can sort everything out. Just stay. Don't leave me again, please.
Bye!
간절히 애원해보지만 이미 지난 과거는 결코 돌이킬 수 없었죠.
Sutton!
자꾸 언급되는 이름인 빌리를 찾기 위해 그의 만화 사무실을 찾아온 라즈.
Yeah, come in. Sorry I didn't talk to you at the funeral. Been away on a break. Just needed to get home.
Yeah, no worries. Where were you? Someone else?
Caribbean.
반가운 듯 맞이해준 이 남자가 빌리로 서턴의 전 남자친구였으며 그의 어머니가 아버지의 비서였던 마구였는데요.
He was a good man, Laz. Your dad. He always took the time to talk. Forgiving myself.
Forgiving?
He said it was natural to carry guilt over Sutton. It wasn't my fault.
Why did you let her leave the dance?
오빠인 자기만큼이나 남자친구였던 빌리도 서턴에 대한 죄책감과 그리움 때문에 아버지에게 정신 상담을 받아왔었다고 말해주는데
Can I ask you something, Billy?
What about Sutton?
How she was feeling just before the dance? I mean, I saw her earlier that day, and the more I think back, I can't shake the idea that something was wrong.
Nothing was wrong. Not as far as I knew. She was happy.
What you were arguing about the night she died?
지난번 만났던 동생 사건의 용의자 샘올스는 동생과 빌리가 다투고 있었다고 증언하였고 무엇이 진실인지 알고 싶어 물었지만 그는 왜 그런 놈을 믿느냐며 답답한 마음에 화를 낼 뿐입니다.
So you and Sutton weren't arguing?
Yeah, we had a fight, yeah, but it wasn't anything new. Same old stuff. She was going off to uni. I didn't want her to stay in halls because it would be harder for me to visit.
You didn't break up?
Why would you think that? We were never happier.
뭔가 찝찝함을 안고 돌아가는 라즈. 그리고 대화를 마친 빌리 또한 어떤 그림을 그리며 불편한 마음을 가라앉히는데요.
Let's look at this a bit differently then. If Cassandra killed Neil Croft with that statue, then why keep it?
But we've always believed Neil killed Cassandra. So who killed her if Neil was already dead?
Another boyfriend.
Why are you so sure that she killed him and not the other way around?
Hunch.
Neil Croft had a history of violence towards Cassandra Rhodes. She was strangled, he vanished.
Right, but he was actually in the attic. So who put him there if not Cassandra?
종결된 수사를 재개하는 것에 부정적인 앨리슨. 맥거번도 그리 내키지는 않지만 친구의 주장들이 잘 들어맞는 바람에 어쩔 수 없이 수사를 이끄는 중이었죠.
So Detective Brown wants to talk to you. My advice, don't avoid her calls. So until you come up with an explanation that doesn't involve the woo-woo, I suggest you keep your distance, for all our sakes. Gunshot residue report from your dad's body. It was under his fingernails, mate, so he did fire the gun. I'm sorry. It's all consistent with a self-inflicted wound.
Except it can't be.
보이는 증거보다 보이지 않는 환영을 더 믿게 된 라즈는 수사 결과를 믿지 않는다며 죽은 자의 목소리에 더 귀를 기울이려 하는데
Okay, Laz. Why are you torturing yourself like that?
Right there, Seth. Right in front of me.
They were all murdered.
And I'm going to prove it.
그날 밤 아버지의 사무실을 다시 찾아간 라즈는 루미놀 반응을 이용하여 형광색을 띠는 혈흔을 발견할 수 있었고 그 분포를 확인해 탓할 가능성을 하나라도 찾아보려 하는데요. 바닥에서 엄청난 양의 혈흔을 확인하며 환영으로 보았던 그 장면이 진짜 일어났었던 일임을 확인하게 되죠.
Son.
Hey, Doc. Sorry I'm late.
처음 보는 남자가 반갑게 인사하며 들어옵니다. 환영이 시작되었다는 걸 라즈는 직감적으로 알아차릴 수 있었는데
To meet someone?
I did it. I went up to the desk, gave my name, said I'm Harry Nash and I need to talk to someone.
아버지의 환자였던 해리 내시는 시킨 대로 누군가를 고발했지만 보복을 당할까 두려워 겁에 질려 있었는데요.
If he works out, I've reported him. Do you know what he's capable of? Do you know what he'd do if he knew we were even talking?
Harry.
Can you promise me it's going to be okay, Doc? It is, isn't it? Please.
결국 겁에 질려 떠나버린 해리. 알지도 못하는 상황에서 위로만을 목적으로 정신과 의사인 라즈는 괜찮다는 말을 해줄 수 없었죠.
You seem surprised. I did say there'd be others.
He was abused as a child. Frequently. By a priest who coached his school football team. He reported his abuser.
That was brave of him.
Well, he was doing what you advised him to do, Dad.
해리의 사건을 살펴본 후 마침 유령으로 나타난 아버지에게 질문하는데
Harry was your patient, Dad. His safety is your responsibility.
And you don't think I took that responsibility seriously? I mean, I agree, that would be terrible.
To me, explain Harry. Because here, you've written the trauma Harry has suffered is so buried, so deeply entwined in his personality.
In cases such as this, progress can only be achieved by taking risks, taking that leap into...
The Abyss? He's dead, Dad. Killed by his greatest fear, this pedophile.
같은 정신과 의사로서 환자를 벼랑 끝으로 몰고 가 그 분노를 폭발시키는 것으로 문제를 해결해온 아버지의 비윤리적인 방식에 라즈는 그가 선을 넘었다며 화를 냅니다.
And what should I have done, in your esteemed opinion?
Well, gone to the police, Dad.
A life in prison would have been a better fate for her than the one she actually met. I'm honestly asking...
Stop it! Dad, stop trying to avoid hearing what I'm saying! Listen to me!
Why should I? Despite the fact that I have at least 30 more years' experience than you, I'm the one that needs to listen, really.
경력을 운운하며 자기를 무시하는 아버지.
You may have more years on me, Dad, but I'm the one with the real experience. In that hospital, that's pain, that's trauma. Not just sitting in this cozy office, away from what actually matters.
You never said this to me when I was alive, Joe.
We didn't have that kind of relationship, Dad.
So you think I don't know what real life is?
경력을 운운하며 자기를 무시하는 아버지. 라즈도 사실은 알고 있었는데요.
I think after Sutton, you couldn't take any more. I always looked up to you.
But before Sutton, you never wanted to follow me into this field. After Sutton, you became a forensic psychiatrist. Why would you do that?
Why? Because I wanted to be better than you, Dad. Maybe I'm not just seeing the ghosts of murdered victims. Maybe what I'm really seeing is your failings.
그런데 이 상황을 아버지가 유도하려 한 것인지 우연히 집어던진 서류 더미에서 해리 사건과 관련 있는 신문을 발견하게 되죠.
How do I know?
My name is Franklin Barnway. This is my last confession. I know I'm damned. It's what I deserve. I'm sorry for what I did to Harry. But killing him, that sin's on someone else, not... So you still need to find out whoever did, because it definitely wasn't me.
라즈는 자기가 근무했었던 정신병원을 찾아가 범인이었던 바네이가 남긴 비디오를 보게 되는데
Remind me when this was exactly?
September 28th, last year.
I must have planned it.
There was nothing impulsive about his actions.
You didn't have him on a watch list?
No. I didn't think he was a risk.
병원에서 일어난 비극적인 사건을 떠올리며 그를 감시 대상에 집어넣지 않은 걸 LP는 자기 잘못이라 생각하며 죄책감에 시달리고 있었는데요.
If there even were any. I'm sure if I ever spoke to Frank, I would have come to the same conclusions you did.
You did speak to him. Twice, I think. Frank admitted to arguably much worse crimes, but he always insisted he wasn't a murderer.
어떻게 된 것인지 아버지의 환자와 관련된 범인들은 하나같이 살인은 저지르지 않았다고 주장하니 라즈의 머릿속은 더더욱 복잡해집니다.
I'm a bit worried about Laz. I think losing your dad has brought up a lot of older stuff.
What? Like Sutton?
He was the one that found Sutton, Jenna. That night, it was Laz that found her.
친구가 최근 일들로 인해 점점 힘들어지는 것 같다며 그의 동생에게 말해주는 맥거번. 그런데 제나는 잠깐 언급된 언니 얘기에 과거의 어떤 일들이 머릿속에 떠오르게 되어 잠시 넋이 나가버리죠.
Margot's a lifesaver. I wouldn't have got through half this admin without her.
Hello, Joe. How have you been?
Billy told me you were holding up. Not easy, I know.
아버지의 비서였던 마구가 서류를 정리하기 위해 집에 들렀습니다. 그런데 라즈는 그녀가 뭔가를 숨기는 것 같다고 생각하며 무례할 수도 있는 행동을 보이는데
Margot, with respect, if you wanted me to know what my father said, you can tell me what was on the rest of the note he left.
Laz?
You think I'm hiding something?
You certainly weren't rushing to tell me about Cassandra Rhodes, were you?
That has...
Or Harry Nash.
Sorry, Who's Harry Nash?
He was a patient of your father's.
He was murdered.
What?
Do you not think that's strange, Margot?
아버지의 환자에 관해서 물었을 때 마치 진실을 숨기려는 사람처럼 그녀가 모른 척 했었다는 걸 알고 그 행동에 대하여 집요하게 추궁하는데요.
Oh, God. Oh, okay. I don't know what's going on here, but it's gone far enough.
Whoever murdered Harry Nash is still out there, and it could be the same person who murdered Cassandra.
And what? Come, this way. No, Margaret, thank you for the wine. This way.
Okay. What the actual fuck?
What, I mean, why was she even here? Admin?
Yeah, admin. We needed access to Dad's business account.
한편 마구를 부른 이유에 관해 묻다가 아버지의 사무실 임대 기간이 얼마 남지 않아 돈을 지불하지 않으면 더 이상 거기에 갈 수 없게 되어 유령을 볼 수 없다는 사실을 알게 됩니다.
Why are you asking about Dad's patients, these people that died? Laz, you need to tell me what's going on. And don't bullshit me. Just don't.
Okay.
Laz, why do you think they're appearing to you? And not me? You think I'd be the one most open to that world?
제나에게 그동안 있었던 일들을 설명하자 그녀는 다른 것보다 점술가인 자기에게 그런 일이 생기지 않은 것이 오히려 불만인 듯 보이죠.
When I saw Sutton, she told me that she was going to break up with Billy.
On the day of the ball.
Billy said they were good, that they were just fighting about uni, but you know he could.
Laz.
서턴에 관한 얘기가 한창일 때 누군가가 노크하며 방문하는데
They chased me and I fell into a bush.
Yeah, but why'd you come here?
Mum would make a big deal of it. You know what she's like.
Yeah, I know what she's like.
When you and my mum were married, did you ever want kids?
다친 모습을 엄마에게 보이고 싶지 않은 에이든이 도움받으러 라즈를 찾아왔는데요.
Aiden, your mum will be worried.
Bye.
Me and you, we're going to the office. I want to talk to them. Dad? Sutton?
자기도 잃은 가족들을 만나고 싶어 했지만 그녀의 눈앞에는 아무도 나타나지 않았습니다.
I think it only works for me.
How? You don't know that.
I do. Seth already tried. I had no choice, Jen. I found a dead body. He needed to know the truth.
The truth? He thinks you're having another breakdown. Like after Sutton.
여전히 유령을 보는 것에 미련이 남은 제나는 왜 자기는 안 보이냐며 오빠에게 따졌다가 안 보이면 됐다며 그만하라고 짜증을 내는 그 태도의 기분이 상해 나가버리는데
Jen.
I'm going.
잠시 후 아버지의 또 다른 환자가 사무실을 방문하는데요.
I'm Laura. Thanks for fitting me in so late.
Laura, have a seat. Something worrying you?
I hate being on this side.
You're a psychiatrist?
I told your secretary at the time.
Yes, of course. I forgot.
꽤 오랜 시간 로라와 상담을 계속하게 되지만 지금까지 상담받으려는 환자와는 다르게 그녀의 이야기에서는 어떤 분노도 느낄 수가 없었죠.
Your name, Laura. What happened to you, Laura Maynard?
라즈는 그녀가 무슨 사연 때문에 여기에 나타난 건지 대화로는 도저히 파악이 어려워 아버지의 환자 프로필을 직접 살펴보기로 하는데
It's not over. What the hell does that mean?
그러다가 우연히 서턴이 보고 있었던 책을 발견하게 되고 그게 빌리가 그려준 그림책인 걸 알게 됩니다. 그런데 아버지의 유서에 그려진 그림과 똑같은 게 여기에도 그려져 있었죠.
This look familiar. This is your work, Billy. Don't deny it. You're always sketching us.
Where did you find this?
What is it?
It's a dolmen. Sutton always liked how it looked.
Well, that dolman was on my dad's suicide note.
이전부터 그에 대한 의심이 있었던 라즈는 그림에 대한 것을 물으며 매섭게 몰아붙이지만 빌리는 서턴이 좋아했기 때문에 그려줬을 뿐 그 외에 다른 뜻은 없다며 차분하게 대답해 주는데
As to why it was on your dad's note, I don't know. Sure, it was hard finding this, seeing her like she was.
She broke up with you, didn't she? The night of the dance. That's what you were arguing about. You lied to me. To my face.
Les.
Why did you do that?
Why do you think? I didn't want people thinking we...
결국 라즈의 정확한 추론을 듣고 그날의 일을 사실대로 말해주는 빌리.
That we were in a bad place that night. They never got anyone for her murder, Laz. I didn't want people pointing fingers at me.
But why that night? And I swear...
I knew Sutton was going to dump me. She hinted at it. And I gave her the sketchbook to try and change her mind.
그의 얘기를 통해서 어째서 서턴이 그날 일찍 집으로 돌아왔는지를 알 수 있게 되죠.
Make her feel what I was feeling. So to get back at her, I went with another girl and made sure she caught us.
Who were you with that night, Billy?
그리고 그날 빌리가 서턴에게 복수하는 것을 도운 여자가 바로 친동생인 제나였다는 것까지 알게 되는데요.
In the windmills of your mind.
What?
You lied about that night. You kissed Billy.
What?
Kissed Billy.
Just give me a minute.
Stop lying.
I'm not lying.
그 오랜 세월 동안 가족에게까지 거짓말을 해왔던 동생을 찾아가 라즈는 원망 가득한 어조로 따져 묻습니다.
I know that happened because I remember Sutton catching us, and that was the reason she left the ball.
Unfucking-believable.
Laz, I was young.
You were old enough to know the difference between right and wrong, Jenna.
그것뿐만이 아니라 지금까지 서턴은 혼자 집에 있다가 화를 당했다고 생각했었는데.
Wait. You were home when you were in the house when she was killed.
Yeah, I must have been.
Oh my God.
But I didn't see or hear anything. I just. When I came out of my room, you must have already gone to get Dad because that's.
라즈는 자기만이 서턴을 구할 수 있는 상황에서 그러지 못한 것에 대해 평생 죄책감을 가지고 살아왔었는데요. 아마 제나도 그 상황에 있었다는 걸 알았다면 그는 이렇게까지 마음의 짐을 지지 않아도 되었었죠.
I'm sorry. I never told you, Laz. I couldn't say it out loud.
No, you can't do that.
I'm sorry, Laz. Please.
I'm not listening to this.
그렇게 집을 뛰쳐나온 라즈는 친구인 맥거번에게 자신의 억울함과 분노를 털어놓는데
If she hasn't told anyone what actually happened that night, maybe for her it doesn't feel real.
That's just a posh way of justifying lying. She let me blame myself for years because I didn't follow Sutton home because I stayed behind with Bella. Meanwhile, Jenna was the whole reason that Sutton left in the first place.
그때 라즈는 이 장소에 있으면 안 되는 사람을 보게 되는데요.
Do you see her?
Yeah.
So she's definitely real. Can't be her. It can't be. It can't be.
Yeah, we should take my company for granted more often.
유령이라고 생각해 아버지를 흉내내어 상담해줬던 로라는 살아있는 사람이었습니다. 그는 당연히 유령이라 생각해 상담 도중 빌리를 찾아갔었죠.
Oh, hey.
I would like to apologize.
No need, really.
Well, can I at least?
Oh no, I've got it.
My father just died. The Dr. Lazarus you booked your appointment with was him, not me.
But also you were pretending to be him.
A bit of explanation. First off, I am a psychiatrist.
이상하게 보일 수 있는 유령 얘기를 제외하며 그녀에게 어떻게 된 일인지를 최대한 설명해 보는데요.
No, I see. You're moving on to another therapist. Okay.
memorable first impression.
동생이 꼴 보기 싫어 아버지의 사무실에서 잠을 청하는 라즈. 그렇게 아침이 되었을 때 마구가 찾아와 있었는데
I do appreciate you trying to spare my feelings, Dr. L. With Billy, I mean. He needs professional help. I wish it could be you who helped him, but he'd sooner crawl under a rock and die. He's so excited for the dance next week, by the way.
그녀는 살아있는 마구가 아니었고 라즈는 이 환영을 통해서 그녀의 아들인 빌리도 아버지에게 상담 치료를 받았었다는 사실을 알게 됩니다.
What exactly did Billy do?
Billy's been hanging around this building. He stole my pass to get in. Dark, like I should go. I won't let anyone get hurt, Dr. L. I promise.
Hurt by Billy? No, Margaret.
그렇게 마구는 떠나가게 되고 자기가 죽은 자들만 만날 수 있다는 걸 알기에 설마 하는 생각으로 서둘러 마구에게 연락도 해보고 집도 찾아가 보는데요.
Margot!
마구가 없는 걸 확인하고는 심각해진 그때 남의 집에 몰래 침입하는 걸 보고 따라 들어왔다는 에이든과 마주하게 되죠.
I was on my bike and I saw you as I passed by. Thought we could, I don't know, hang out.
Well, it's not the best time for that, Aiden.
한편 그 시각 맥거버는 지난번 발견한 시체의 감식 결과를 전달받으며 놀라울 정도로 라즈의 주장과 일치하는 걸 직접 확인하게 되는데
Seth, call me. All right, it's important. Dad's assistant, Margot. She might be dead.
You're not answering your mobile.
Yes, because I've been hanging out with a corpse all morning, which we're pretty sure is Neil Croft.
I told you.
Yes, I know you told me. But now it's real and it's freaking me out.
두 사람의 얘기를 우연히 듣게 된 앨리스는 라즈의 주장들에 흥미를 느끼고는 그를 따로 불러내어 자세한 얘기를 들어보려 합니다.
I think Billy McIntyre might have murdered my father. There's been a lot of suspicious deaths around here over the years, and Billy has a connection to all the victims. What if my dad was starting to ask questions?
그런데 유령 얘기를 제외하니 그 주장들은 증거에 근거하지 않고 오직 직감뿐인 터무니없는 얘기들 뿐이었죠.
Something to make you suddenly have these suspicions about him.
I found out that Sutton was planning on ending things with him. He got wind of it, was upset. If my dad was onto Billy, it would make sense for Billy to kill him, no? I mean, it would make a lot more sense than suicide. I'm also worried about Margot, Billy's mum. She's not answering her phone. I went round and she's not at home.
그렇게 라즈는 빌리가 진범이라는 확신에 가까운 진술과 함께 아마도 다음 범행 대상은 그의 어머니인 마고일 거라고 예측까지 하는데.
Okay, before you start, we're looking for Margot on CCTV, and we're going to launch a search party tomorrow. Happy?
It's probably too late now anyway. She's probably already dead.
Okay. You need to stop saying shit like that, Laz.
What are you so upset about?
Oh my God, you are. Okay. Let me spell it out for you. I now have messages on my phone from you telling me that you think Margot is dead.
화가 나서는 까칠해진 맥거번. 그는 마고가 죽을 거라고 예언처럼 보낸 라즈의 음성 메시지를 받았고 만약 정말로 마고가 죽는다면 라즈를 용의선상에 올려야 하거나 실직을 각오하고 친구를 위해 증거물인 메시지를 지워야 하는 아주 곤란한 입장에 처하게 돼버렸는데요.
He is clearly suspicious. You are suspicious, Laz. You. This whole thing. Looks like you went mental after your father's death. You killed Margot. You came here to make the police suspicious of Billy in advance of finding Margot's body. You look guilty.
I didn't...
Because if she's actually dead, Laz, you're fucked.
이성을 잃은 듯 몰아붙인 결과가 자기 자신을 공경에 빠뜨려 버리는데.
Now you know why I wanted you to accompany Sutton home after the dance. I had concerns about Billy McIntyre. You want to talk about the specifics of Billy, and the reason you want those specifics is because you are dying, absolutely dying to chastise me for allowing my daughter to go to the dance with him. Sutton's murder was your fault.
아들이 무슨 생각을 하고 있는지 알고 있었던 조너선 라자루스는 단 하나. 어째서 그날 동생을 데려다 주지 않았는지 그것만큼은 라즈에게 직접 들어봐야 했죠.
How you stayed behind at the dance because Bella was upset. I mean, a good guy does not abandon his girlfriend when she's upset. Problem is, she wasn't upset. I suppose it almost feels real to you by now, doesn't it?
아버지의 질문에 대답하고 싶지 않은 아들. 하지만 그는 집요하게 되물으며 왜 동생을 데려다 주지 않았는지를 계속해서 묻는데요.
Why didn't you follow Sutton home that night? I don't want to talk about it! Because I was going to get lucky! Alright? That's the truth! I was a teenage boy and I was told Bella wanted to.
어쩌면 서턴을 구하지 못한 죄책감마저도 사실은 그녀를 구하지 않은 자기 잘못을 외면하기 위한 정신적인 방어 기제였었습니다.
This is the last confirmed sighting of Margot McIntyre.
Is that Sam Olsen?
Could be. Lives around the corner.
I'll talk to him. See if he knows where she went.
Okay. And release the footage to the public. Let's see if it gets us anywhere.
한편 마고의 마지막 행방을 찾은 맥거번이 지금 수색팀을 파견할 예정임을 알려주자 라즈는 오지 말라는 그의 말도 무시한 채 현장으로 향하는데
Margot McIntyre's family have expressed their concern over her disappearance, which they describe as being deeply out of character.
이 모든 일의 범인이라 확신하는 빌리도 현장에 나와 있었고 두 사람은 따로 말을 섞지 않은 채 수색에 동참하는데요.
Teddy.
밤늦게까지 계속되는 수색 작업 중 마고의 반려견인 테디를 발견합니다.
Come on, I think he's down. Is that you, Billy? I think he's down. I know you're here. I can hear you.
그때 무기를 들고 있는 빌리가 다른 남자들과 함께 위협적인 모습으로 라즈에게 다가오는가 싶더니
Hey, guys, trapped. What is this? What's going on? Olsen. Olsen, murderer! Whoa! Where is she? Hey, Billy, calm down! Calm down! Wait, hey! Get away! Leave me alone! Where is she? Hey! Where's my mom?
알고 보니 빌리는 샘 올슨이 벌인 짓이라 생각해 그를 공격하고 있었죠. 어머니 마고가 여기 죽어 있는 것도 알지 못한 채
McIntyre under arrest for assault and incitement to commit violence.
빌리가 폭행 혐의로 잡혀가는 것을 보며 한시름 놓고 있을 때 또 불쑥 에이든이 찾아왔습니다.
You gotta stop doing that.
I want to talk. You're my dad. I did a DNA test.
Wait. You what?
I took your toothbrush.
You took... Jesus, Aiden, what, you positive? Like we're a match?
I'll email you the results.
Okay.
So you can see for yourself.
갑자기 찾아와서는 라즈가 친아빠인 걸 확인했다며 그렇지 않아도 복잡한 그의 머릿속을 더욱 혼란스럽게 만드는데요.
Margot McIntyre was stabbed in the chest with an oddly shaped serrated knife by the looks of it. It doesn't appear as if her corpse was moved far after her murder, meaning we think...
Someone brought a knife into the woods.
우려했던 대로 마고가 시체로 발견되면서 그걸 예측한 라즈가 용의선상에 오르게 되어 어떻게 알게 된 건지를 설명해야만 했죠.
It still doesn't tell me how you knew it would happen now.
I met with Billy recently. We talked and I got, I don't know, a feeling.
A feeling?
You know what? All you have is feelings. You feel suspicious of me.
Barely begun our investigation.
Well, let's get started.
그런데 이전에 그가 허무맹랑한 소리를 한 덕분에 이상하다 생각했던 앨리슨이 혹시 몰라 그를 미행했었고 그 덕분에 그의 알리바이는 이미 입증이 되었습니다.
You're a great friend, and I'm a dick.
How did you know Margot was dead, Laz?
Saw her. It's a ghost.
Come on. How did you really know?
Have you really not believed me this whole time?
지금까지 말해주었던 유령 얘기를 하나도 믿지 않고 있었던 맥거버는 어떻게 마고의 죽음을 알게 된 것인지 물어보는데 라즈는 가장 친한 친구였던 그가 자신을 믿어주지 않았다는 것에 씁쓸한 기분을 느끼게 되죠.
Look, can't officially be showing you this, but it turns out your dad wrote Billy's original referral letter to rehab over 20 years ago.
Billy used to steal temazepam from Dad. Margot got Dad to write a referral letter for addiction to benzodiazepines.
Why are you telling me this?
It wasn't your fault, Jenna.
빌리가 신경 안정제를 훔쳐 몰래 사용했다는 것을 알게 된 라즈는 이게 제나가 과거의 일을 인정하면서도 제대로 기억해내지 못한 이유라는 걸 알게 되고 그녀에게 그 설명을 해주며 짊어지고 있었던 죄책감으로부터 해방해줍니다.
Billy thought Sutton was going to break up with him. He knew you fancied him, so he drugged you, used you.
It was spiked.
That's why you don't remember much about it. Why it affected you so hard, so fast. Meaning you had little, even no control over your body. It wasn't your fault that Sutton left the dance.
그렇게 동생의 마음을 한결 가볍게 해주고 두 사람은 오랜만에 과거에 찍었던 비디오를 보며 그 시절의 추억을 다시 떠올려 보는데
I was at Sam Olsen's house a few days ago, and he had this toy dog.
So?
지난번 샘 올슨이 했던 얘기와 전혀 다른 사실을 발견한 라즈. 그가 서턴에게 받았다고 했던 인형이 살해되는 날에 찍은 비디오 속 서턴의 방에 있는 걸 확인하고 받아간 게 아니라 가져갔다는 걸 알게 되죠.
Laz, no, you've had too much to drink. Laz,
get out of the way!
I will smash your windscreen in. What are you doing?
당장이라도 샘 올슨을 찾아가 무슨 일을 벌일 것 같은 오빠를 제나는 못 가도록 말립니다.
He's at the hospital, so I'm going to show him this and tell him I know what he did.
Right, okay, well, that's not going to work.
He killed our sister, Jen.
You show Olsen that before the police get hold of him. You're just giving him a heads up. So let's get that to someone who'll know what to do with it.
지금 그들을 도와줄 수 있는 사람 중 가장 적합한 친구인 맥거번을 서둘러 호출하는데요.
Guessing at 3:30 in the morning, something's up.
You've got to see this.
No, don't do this to me again.
Seth, no ghouls, no ghosts. I promise this is rock solid. Just take a look at this. Here. Do you see that?
Yep.
Right, now see what Olsen gave me. This was in her room the night she was killed. And we know where he is.
유령은 믿지 않았지만 정확한 증거를 제시하며 설명하자 이번에는 라즈의 말을 확실히 믿어주죠.
This is ridiculous. We're just sitting here.
There's a process, Laz.
Thank you. And we'd like that VHS.
Sure. What about Olsen? You picked him up?
We're doing this by the book, Joel, okay? We're not just turning up on spec and making things up as we go along.
영장은 발부되겠지만 그것만으로 그를 범인으로 확정하기에는 어려울 거란 얘기에 샘 올슨이 또 다른 범죄를 벌일 거라 불안함을 호소하며 경찰인 두 사람에게 닥달하는데
I think what you have here in regard to Olsen and Sutton is compelling but not conclusive.
How is that photo not
Let her finish. For example, you say this was in Olsen's house.
Yes, it was.
And when Olsen says, no, it wasn't, I've never seen it before.
But Sutton had this from when she was a kid.
Sutton had 2 dogs. That's why she gave one away.
But that's just absurd. Why would she have 2 dogs?
That's what they'll say.
얼마 후 체포영장이 발부되고 경찰들이 샘 올슨의 집을 들이닥칩니다.
Not in here.
Okay, top to bottom, I want a thorough search. I mean thorough.
Clothes? Gil's underwear.
당사자는 없었지만 수상한 것들이 발견되죠.
Come on.
한편 라즈는 아버지 유령과 만나기 위해 다시 사무실을 찾아왔는데요.
Sorry, Dad.
Oh my god.
놀랍게도 나타난 건 어릴 적의 자기 자신이었습니다.
Her dying, her getting killed is my fault.
Your fault? Why?
I saw her leave the dance, and I saw she was upset, but I stayed.
What do you want me to do about that?
I suppose I want reassurance.
What? That Sutton's death was your fault?
No!
You want absolution.
동생에 대한 일로 용서를 바라고 있었던 자기 자신. 라즈는 과거에 아버지가 했던 말을 기억하며 자신을 밀어붙였던 말들이 아닌 용서받을 방법을 전해주며 과거에 자신이 듣고 싶었던 말을 해주는데
The only one that can forgive you is yourself.
I miss her.
Yes, because she's your twin. And it's as if suddenly half of your life is gone, but... And that hurts. And that's what you and I have to learn to live with.
You okay, son?
그렇게 라즈가 라즈에게 위로의 말을 건네주니 이번에는 아버지가 나타나게 되고
When all you had to do was say it's not your fault. You thought I was to blame.
No, never.
Then why let the boy who can't swim drown? My father, the person who mattered most to me, held me responsible for my sister's death.
But not what I felt, ever.
Then why didn't you rescue me?
Joel!
You saw the state I was in?
Joel, with all my heart. But when you have a child, and that child dies, this void opens up.
자식을 잃은 그날 아버지도 자책감에 깊이 빠지게 되었고 그럴수록 가족들은 죄책감보다는 자기에 대한 원망을 갖도록 하려고 일부러 남은 자식들에게 모질게 대했었던 진실을 라즈에게 알려줍니다.
Jen? Are you here?
Lass, have you seen Aidan?
Have I seen...
Yeah.
When are we talking about?
He didn't go home last night, and he's not answering his phone.
Have you seen him?
제나의 집에 가니 벨라가 와 있었고 그녀는 아들 에이든이 집에 돌아오지 않았다며 라즈에게 그 행방을 묻는데요.
He came to see me last night.
What do you mean he came to see you?
I know, so
I've just told you he did not come home! Sorry, why would he want to see you anyway?
He'd had a paternity test done. This is off his own bat. All right, I had nothing to do with it. Yesterday the results came back saying I'm his father, not Paul.
What?
Not now, Jen.
Sorry. I thought you'd want to know we've got CCTV footage.
그때 샘 올슨의 행방을 찾은 맥거번이 나타나는데
And he's got someone with him.
Yeah, but the quality's so shit you can't see.
It's the same jacket Aidan was wearing last night.
Is he? But why would...
Sorry, are you saying you think that's Aidan?
He didn't come home last night.
Okay, we're on it.
I was on my way out of the city. I was going fishing for Arctic char.
얼마 전 마구 수색을 하던 날 북극 쪽으로 간다고 했던 샘 올슨의 말을 기억해낸 라즈. 마침내 호수에서 샘 올슨과 에이든이 함께 있는 걸 발견하죠.
Aidan? Aidan, go wait in my car, up by the one you came in.
I want to stay with Sam.
Aidan!
I don't want to go home.
Do you want me to deal with this? Nothing's happened, okay? Nothing's gone on.
그의 뻔뻔한 모습에 라즈는 자기가 발견한 것을 보여주는데요.
On top of the mannequin, you see that? The police have seen this and are on their way.
Go to the car. Fuck off! I didn't do anything.
You killed her!
이제는 그가 범인임을 확신하며 거칠게 대하는데 그도 할 말이 있다는 듯 마음속에 있던 불만을 터뜨립니다.
You moved away. I had to lead you there to show you what I'd done for her.
Hey! Where are you? You murdered her.
I always showed Sutton such respect.
더 이상 숨길 수 없다고 생각한 건지 샘 올슨은 그날 밤의 일들을 모두 얘기하게 되죠.
I went in and out of your house for years. It wasn't for anything sordid. I was just going to spend time in Sutton's room. To be near where she sleeps. That dog, I wanted it to remember about because she was going to university soon. That's why I was there.
Liar! You were there to kill her!
It wasn't like that.
What was it like then?
그의 입에서 밝혀지는 서턴의 죽음. 역시 모든 일들은 그녀가 파티에서 일찍 돌아온 것이 화근이 되었는데요.
She was suddenly there. Not just there, she's running into my arms. She was all over me, so I kissed her. Took her face in my hands and kissed her with all the love in the world.
자신의 범죄를 밝히고 있는 범인 앞에서 그것도 단둘이 있으면서 방심하고 있던 라즈는 기습받게 되어 위험에 빠지게 되는데
And then I heard you coming home. I have no choice. She made me do it. She made me hit her till.
위기의 순간 소란스러운 소리에 에이든이 돌아와서는 아빠를 지키기 위해 샘에게 달려듭니다.
We found photos in Olsen's house of Sutton's room, all dating back to when she was killed.
So Olsen's the killer.
결국 증거까지 발견되면서 그날 서턴을 죽인 범인은 모두의 예상대로 샘 올슨이었죠. 하지만 다음 날
What?
Olsen was 200 miles away the day your dad died.
It's a cast iron alibi. It's rock solid. We've got documented proof.
Tear his house apart. He keeps trophies. He'll have the rest of the note my dad left. We only got one page. There's more. It will be there in the house, guaranteed.
샘 올슨이 서턴을 죽인 건 맞지만 아버지 사건과는 관련이 없는 게 확인되었다는데
Your father took his own life.
Olsen didn't kill your dad. No one did. He killed himself.
Seth, I've been seeing people they were murdered. All of them. I saw Sutton. Sutton came to me. And we know she was murdered by Olsen.
Olsen didn't kill your dad.
결국 아직 끝나지 않았음을 확인하고 라즈는 다시 아버지의 사무실을 찾아가 누군가라도 나타나기를 기다리는데요.
Doctor, give me a moment. Let me get ready. Don't come till I call.
I know who you are.
처음 나타났지만 어딘가 낯이 익은 여성. 그녀의 이름은 이머전으로 라즈가 정신병원에서 상담해줬던 알루 존스라는 환자의 피해자였죠.
Betrayal of confidences. Well, vengeance is mine, saith the Lord. Mine and Arlo Jones!
그때 당사자가 나타나서는 라즈를 기습합니다.
God came to me, and you know, with everything that's going on, he's pretty tied up. So he says, would I mind exacting his punishment for him? And I said, only too happy. In fact, let's see if our Dr. Lazarus can go one better than his namesake and raise himself from the dead.
그를 방에 가두는데 성공하고 서둘러 병원에 전화를 걸어 눈앞에 나타난 알루 존스가 유령인지 사람인지를 확인해 보는데
I need you to go to Arlo Jones' room right now and tell me, is he there? Is he alive?
Dr. Laz, he's here. He's in his cell.
놀랍게도 그는 병원에 얌전히 있었고 좀 전까지 아버지의 사무실에 있었던 알루 존스는 라즈와 싸웠다는 사실과 함께 완전히 사라져버렸죠.
It reads like the end of a sentence, not the start. There was a page 1.
처음으로 살아있는 사람이 유령으로 나타난 게 이상하다고 생각해 알루 존스를 찾아온 라즈.
My father died on the day of our last session. The day you said you'd been speaking with God and God told you I was a fake. You asked God to punish me and God said he would. He'd do that just for you. So did he? Did you have my father murdered, you twisted fuck?
God works in mysterious ways.
그의 태도에 이성을 잃고 감정적으로 대할 뻔하지만
Your daddy didn't understand me either.
Imogen Carswood. She was in a relationship with my father.
I didn't kill her.
Your DNA was all over the crime scene.
I was framed. And seeing as you know me so well, you'll have to admit that's a bit of a snag in my so-called pattern.
그도 샘 올슨처럼 자신의 죄를 순순히 인정하지 않는다고 생각할 때 기묘한 주장을 하나 합니다.
When the guilty verdict came in, I looked over at the lead detective and you know what I saw? The smile of someone who got away with it.
I've been tailing you. I didn't trust you, and I still don't.
한편 그 시각 맥거버는 마고의 검식 결과를 전달받고 있었는데요.
That's your weapon. Quite the bad boy, eh?
Jesus. The knife that killed Margot looks like this one. They're illegally imported from Brazil. This one came from the evidence locker.
This is good work, Seth.
Don't you think it's odd? A man dies by suicide and then his assistant gets murdered so soon after.
Hey, thanks for coming.
아버지의 사무실로 로라를 불러낸 라즈. 그는 그녀의 도움을 받아 지금까지 일어났던 의문사에 대해 다시 살펴보며 미처 발견하지 못한 다른 공통점을 찾아볼 생각이죠.
Arlo Jones is a vicious killer. Imogen Carswood was one in a string of his victims.
I didn't do it. I never killed Harry. I didn't.
Sorry, Harry? Who's Harry?
Harry Nash.
그렇게 조사를 하다 보니 이 모든 사건의 담당이 앨리슨 브라운이라는 걸 알게 됩니다.
Alfie, hi. Quick question. The Father Frank suicide video. Can you remember who it was given to?
Which officer? Yeah, it was DCI Brown.
Am I going insane, or is that really suspicious?
Why would she try to conceal it?
And how many more are there?
상사인 그녀가 미심쩍다는 걸 친구에게 먼저 얘기해주려 하는데
I think Detective Brown killed my dad.
이번에도 근거를 먼저 제시하기보다 결론부터 얘기하는 그 화법에 맥거버는 어이가 없어 웃음이 나오죠.
I think she's framed a number of people for murder. For her tracks.
Ghost tell you this, did it, Laz?
Seth, I'm not joking.
Are you for real? She's a highly commended cop. What the are you talking about?
Too many of my dad's clients have either ended up dead or in prison for this to be a coincidence.
Your dad dealt with deeply disturbed people, Laz. He wasn't running a fucking soft play centre.
Just read them.
I'm not reading them.
Just read them!
I'm not fucking reading them!
유령이 해준 말을 믿기 싫은 것인지 상사가 범인일지도 모른다는 사실을 인정하고 싶지 않았던 것인지 라즈에게 화를 내며 이제 그만하라고 소리치는 맥거번.
I need help, all right, from you. And I need you to trust me and believe me and come with me to confront her.
I'm phoning Brown and I'm going to warn her that you're going back there.
Why'd you become a cop? Get the f off. I'll tell you why. To right fucking wrong. Read the files and tell me I'm wrong.
결국 자료를 읽어본 후 떠밀리다시피 앨리슨과의 약속을 잡게 되고
What's this about? Seth said you had information regarding your father's death.
You were the senior investigating officer on the Cassandra Rhodes case. More recently, you led an investigation into the murder of Imogen Carswood, which resulted in the conviction of Arlo Jones.
I'm failing to see where all this is leading.
A conviction Arlo Jones strenuously opposes.
아버지와 연관된 사람들의 의문사를 나열하며 그 모든 사건의 담당자가 앨리슨이었다는 걸 말해주는 라즈는 자신이 발견한 게 무엇인지 얘기해줍니다.
Highly improbable connections, dubious evidence in murder cases you were investigating, all of which involved patients of my father or people known to him.
I don't hear a question.
I think you were using my father's psychiatric practice, seeking out people with troubled backgrounds and using them as scapegoats for your crimes.
그럴듯한 추론이었지만 근거해줄 만한 증거가 없으니 그냥 소설일 뿐이라며 주장을 부인하는데
And you're on board with this?
Definitely like to hear your side of the story.
And then what? Arrest me. I don't need to remind you I'm your senior officer.
Yep, I know that.
And this impromptu confrontation is wildly inappropriate. Can you get me a glass of water, please?
단둘이 할 얘기가 있었던 건지 맥거번이 잠시 자리를 비운 사이
Police! I'm calling back up!
You okay? Call the police!
She is the police!
Just call the fucking police! What can I do? How can I help? Just get her. Look after him!
정말로 빌미를 잡힌 것인지 앨리스는 테이저건까지 쏘며 이 자리를 서둘러 벗어나려 하는데요. 얼마 가지 못하고 교통사고가 나게 되고 그녀는 차를 버리면서까지 라즈에게서 벗어나려 합니다. 그런데 진실을 밝히기도 전에 그녀는 교통사고를 당해 사망하고 마는데
You okay? Someone's going to come and take a statement, so just you stick to the facts. You suspected her, you brought your suspicions to me, and she tasered me. Makes no fucking sense at all.
Joel, don't push it.
그 당시 라즈의 추론을 인정하면서도 무언가가 있는 듯 멈춰달라고 했던 앨리스.
Let it go. I can spare you so much pain if you just stop now.
I can't do that.
Please, just go home. Let this go.
I can't.
그녀의 사고 당시 그 테이프를 챙겨두긴 했었는데요. 아버지의 사무실에서 테이프를 재생하자 그 안에는 그날의 진실이 담겨 있었습니다.
We need to talk. I know what you did. What we did. I've been so stupid.
In psychology, we call guilt the useless emotion.
그런데 라즈의 추론과는 반대로 환자들을 이용한 것은 아버지였고 오히려 앨리슨이 그를 막으려 했었다는 걸 알게 되죠.
The accolades, the acclaim, it always struck me as strange giving awards for police workers.
But you manipulated me. And I let my ego get in the way. You killed Imogen. Don't even deny it. I know you did. And then you made me believe it was Arlo Jones.
육체의 고통을 끝내기 위해 죽음을 선사해줬다는 허무맹랑한 얘기를 하며 아버지는 피해자의 동의 없는 극단적인 처방을 마음대로 행사하고 있었는데
There are times for some people, Alison, when staying, lingering in the world is infinitely more painful than leaving it.
Father Frank Barnway left a recording before he killed himself, claiming his innocence in the murder of Harry Nash. There were signs. I should have seen them, but I was so caught up. You've been giving me information over the years to deflect from yourself.
준호선은 자신이 저지른 일들에 전혀 죄책감을 가지고 있지 않았습니다.
Rationalize it any way you want. You murdered them, Jonathan. And then you got me to convict innocent people for your crimes.
So you think... What? We confess. We've both seen those prisons, Alison. 22 hours a day in a cell being prodded and poked. We wouldn't last 2 minutes, and you are a corrupt cop. You'd be ruined.
앨리스는 공범으로 자기까지 감옥에 간다고 하여도 반드시 이 일에 대한 책임을 져야 한다고 주장하고 그래서 조너선에게 총을 건네며 자결할 것을 제안하는데요.
And your, how did you put it? And then your secret dies with you.
That's a route that favors you rather more than me.
The ones you got when Sutton died. They could never be repaired, could they?
아버지의 모든 악행은 딸 서턴의 죽음으로 인해 인간을 증오하는 마음에 벌어진 일이었었죠.
You've been a good friend, Alison. You've always been there. Do you think I'll see Sutton?
I hope so.
딸을 너무나도 애정했기 때문에 생긴 이 비극은 부모로서 도저히 감당할 수 없었고 이제서야 이성을 되찾은 조너선은 결국 앨리슨의 제안을 받아들이기로 합니다.
Goodbye. And thank you. Knowing you has been a pleasure.
그렇게 죽음을 앞두고 아들인 라즈에게 마지막 통화를 해보지만
You've reached Dr. Joel Lazarus. Please leave a message after the tone.
자기 일이 바빴던 라즈는 그 마지막 통화를 무시하고 마는데 아버지의 죽음에 관한 진실을 알게 되자
I'm sorry that you had to hear all that. She murdered me. She gave me no choice. You killed? Freed them from their pain. Robbed them. You met Cassandra. She killed him in my office. So I helped her move him. But what was the likelihood of someone like that keeping a secret? Or not killing again?
조너선은 자기를 찾아온 환자들은 언제 터질지 모르는 시한폭탄과 같아서 더는 서턴과 같은 피해자가 생기지 않도록 조치를 취한 것이라 말해주죠.
Who are beyond repair. The wiring is too far gone.
What happened to don't let them feel abandoned? Not for a moment.
I didn't abandon them. I saved them.
Self-justifying crap. You killed because you wanted to kill. You got a taste for it. Why, Dad? Why?
After Sutton, something closed in me.
라즈는 가족을 잃은 고통이 무엇인지 알면서 그걸 또 다른 사람에게 전가하는 아버지가 도저히 이해가 되지 않았습니다.
And that last day, the only person I wanted to speak to was you. I'd have tried to make you understand that whatever I'd become,
I just wanted my dad back. That's all I've ever wanted.
That drawing on my suicide note, do you know what that symbol means to me?
유서에 그린 그림은 시간의 순환, 즉 아들은 아버지를 닮는다는 걸 의미였고 실제로 라즈도 샘 올슨이 동생을 죽인 범인인 걸 알게 되었을 때 우발적으로 그를 죽이려 했던 적이 있어 그 의미를 부인할 수 없었는데요.
No, Dad. You were ill. I have spent my whole life trying to be like you, but not anymore.
Then let me go. Goodbye, son.
더 이상 존경할 수 없어진 아버지를 이제는 마음속에서 떠나보내는 라즈.
Or a carnival balloon is like an apple whirling sails of yours that you find the circles.
아버지의 죽음과 관련된 사건의 진실이 모두 밝혀지고 제나는 오빠가 떠나면서 두고 간 아버지의 테이프들을 발견하죠.
I look into his dead face. There's blood gushing from his head where I hit him. Not happiness, not relief, just nothing.
You told me it was the right thing to do. You were the one who encouraged me to go to the police. But I said I wasn't ready.
You know I record everything that happens in this room.
Sorry, Dad.
그 안에는 지난 몇 주간 라즈가 이런저런 일들을 겪으며 느꼈던 고통과 슬픔 그리고 분노의 감정들이 고스란히 녹아있었는데요.
Hi, this is Laura. Please leave a message and I'll get back to you.
늦은 밤, 마음의 위로를 받고 싶었던 그는 로라의 집을 찾아가는데
Laura?
문이 잠겨있지 않으면서 주인이 보이지 않는 집. 뭔가 수상하다는 생각이 들 때 등 뒤에서 인기척이 느껴집니다.
I'm sorry.
세계적인 베스트셀러 작가 할런 코벤의 작품을 원작으로 만들어진 작품으로 거대한 액션이나 화려한 볼거리보다는 평범한 사람들의 일상에서 조금씩 드러나는 불안감과 가까운 사람조차 믿을 수 없게 만드는 심리전을 중심으로 흥미로운 이야기가 전개되는데요. 특히 이 작가의 작품들은 왜 이런 거짓말을 숨기고 있었는가, 그리고 진실이 밝혀지면 그 관계가 어떻게 무너지는지 이러한 심리적 장치들을 활용하는 경우가 많습니다. 조용하지만 끝까지 긴장감을 놓치지 않는 심리 스릴러 스타일을 좋아하신다면 흥미롭게 볼 수 있는 작품이 아닐까 싶습니다. 지금까지 드라마 시리즈 할런 코벤의 라자루스였습니다.